So welcome friends, welcome to my channel Technical Mighty, and today I unbox another very important product. Actually, today I unbox a wireless mouse. So the concept of wireless mouse is normally we use a mouse with wire which is connected through USB onto the CPU, but a wireless mouse is a mouse where no wire is required. So actually today which I unbox a Logitech, the model number is Logitech B175. So actually the price of the mouse is near about 600. The actual MRP is 599. So as you can see here, so this is the e-card logistics bill. So okay, and this is Flipkart branding. So actually the Flipkart price is 598, which is much more cheaper than Amazon, and the price of this mouse in Amazon is near about 800. So I suggest you to buy it from Flipkart only, because Flipkart has much more cheaper price than any other e-commerce site. So okay, no more talk, let's unpack this. So as you can see that it comes with bubble wrap, which is protected it from fall drop. So okay, so let's unpack it. So okay, as you can see that this is Logitech mouse and this is B175 branding. So okay, and the mouse is actually looking pretty cool, and this is the all other information, so you can easily see that. So okay, and this is the QR code, or okay, and this is any other thing. So let's unpack it. So the mouse is beautifully wrapped. Okay, so let's look what is inside the box. So as you can see that, so as you can see here, so here I come out, it is the user's manual, and this is the warranty. Actually this how to operate. So actually it comes with near about 6 months warranty. The packaging of the Flipkart is very nice. So okay, it also comes with another protection. So okay, so this is the mouse is beautifully crafted. So and this is the wireless, sorry, this is, as you can see that there is no wire, this is wireless mouse, and this is Logitech branding, and here this is the laser. Actually it's a wireless laser mouse. So this is the on off button, it's on off button, this is left click, this is right click. Okay, or so here you can just, from here you just press it, and as you can see here it comes with a alkaline battery. So actually friends, today I say some words on it. Always use alkaline battery on this type of mouse, otherwise the mouse is not working very good, because the alkaline battery is very good for this mouse. I know some of the people they use pencil battery on it, but it is a very bad idea. So okay, so always use alkaline. So okay, and friends, the another thing is the build quality of the mouse is awesome. So actually this is similar like a matte finish. So okay, so here another thing is you have to find out the port. So actually look very carefully. The USB is located here. So this is here. So as you can see here, so just pull it from here. Okay, so just I pull out it from here. So as you can see that you have to put this in the USB. You have to put this in the USB of the computer or any laptop, or then the mouse is automatically detected its position from there. So okay, actually this mouse is working through wireless connectivity, which is most of infrared or Bluetooth. Actually I don't know which connectivity this mouse is used. So if you know that, comment down below. So okay friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe among with your friends.